Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to create a subpage in Squarespace effectively using the site builder or site editor. Let's dive in. Creating a subpage in Squarespace is quite straightforward. First, log in as an administrator to your Squarespace account. Here's how the dashboard looks. Start from the home page and then click on Pages. This will bring you to the navigation menu. To create a new subpage, click the plus icon. You'll see a drop-down with various options like blank page, page layouts, store, and portfolio. For our purpose, let's select blank page. Under navigation, name your subpage according to its purpose. For instance, we'll name it Contact Us. Next, click on the gear icon to manually configure your page settings. You can choose where the subpage appears in the navigation, either in the header or footer. If you want easy access for visitors to contact you, placing it in the header is ideal. Under Advanced Settings, you have the option to add HTML codes for embeds or webhooks. You can also enhance the subpage by adding images. Once configured, you might want to create a duplicate of this page. Simply click Duplicate Page and a link will establish between the original Contact Us page and the new subpage. And that's how you create a subpage in Squarespace. If this video helped you, let us know in the comments below. For more guides, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.